In today's short video, we're going to outline for you the details of our SunHorse programmable display, the attributes it reports, and how to use it. Our display can specifically be used with SunHorse programmable ballasts and specifically offers statistics, such as lamp status and other input or output values. The ballast settings menu, as shown here, allows users to modify and program parameters to their desired values. The display itself can be modified based on pull-down menu options such as ballast type, input and output ports, etc. Real-time information is accessible through the runtime menu, including aggregate hours of operation, real-time temperature, and other metrics that monitor lamp life and performance. And when lamps are in need of servicing or replacement, the display allows for convenient access to this information that eliminates the need for physical or visual inspection. For more detailed information about SunHorse programmable displays and their robust functionality, contact your Fulham representative today. And don't forget to follow Fulham on LinkedIn to never miss an update.